Hey everyone, on your demand, today I am here with a baby food recipe. This recipe is very healthy and weight gain recipe for your baby. You can give it as a first baby food to your infant. So let's get started. We'll take 1 glass of water और इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे 2 चम्मच आटा. Now mix it well until there's no lumps in it. Once you are done mixing, then we'll put it for cooking. Keep stirring it well. Just follow the way I said. पहले पानी में घोल ले and then keep it on gas and then keep stirring it well. With this method, you will not get even a single lump in your wheat porridge. Whole wheat is a good source of carbohydrate, fiber, iron, vitamins, and minerals. It helps in weight gain, prevents iron deficiency, and also helps in beating constipation. You can see that the consistency is getting thicker. मैं आपको ये बात बता दूं कि I gave this recipe to both my babies when they were 5 to 6 months old and they were absolutely fine. तो ये रेसिपी देते वक्त आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. व्हेन यू आर प्लानिंग टू गिव तो फर्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा सा देना, 1 स्पून या 1.5 स्पून, एंड देन इंक्रीज द क्वांटिटी. यू कैन सी दैट द कंसिस्टेंसी इज गेटिंग थिकर. कुछ ऐसे केस होते हैं जहाँ बच्चों को ये रेसिपी एज अ फर्स्ट फूड सूट नहीं करता. इफ व्हीट इज नॉट सूटिंग योर बेबी देन इट मे वर्सन द कॉन्स्टिपेशन. So please always follow the 3-day test rule. So in such case, I would like to suggest that when you are giving this recipe to your baby, try it with some fruit. I'll show you how you can give banana to your baby with this recipe. अब हमारा porridge अच्छे से thick हो गया है. It hardly took 10 minutes for me to cook this. तो ये रेसिपी आप अपने 5 to 6 month बेबी को दे सकते हो. The consistency of this should be thin when you are trying to give it for the first time. This is the perfect consistency, but while cooking, if you think कि आपका porridge thick हो गया है, so in that case you can add this milk to it, breast milk or formula milk, or you can also add water. Now this recipe is for 7-month plus baby where you can introduce 2 ingredients together. We'll smash the banana. We can also grind it if we wanted more thinner consistency and no lumps at all in it. And then in that we'll add this porridge. You can check out banana recipe as your baby's first food on my channel. I dropped the video in the description box. It is good to introduce wheat along with fruit that has already been introduced to your baby. Banana, apple, chiku and pear are the fruit you can try with. So there are 2 ways to make this porridge, one with milk or water and the second one with fruit. The first one can be introduced as your baby's first food. You can also add dry fruit powder to it from top. While this one you have to give when you have already introduced first food to your baby because it includes more than one ingredient in it. So if you all found the video useful and wanna get such more useful parenting videos, then do subscribe my channel and don't forget to smash on the bell button too.